This is HUENIT, an AI camera and modular robot arm, 3D printer, laser, pen holder, suction, and AI camera. HUENIT is the only robot arm for creative makers. HUENIT's AI camera detects and recognizes objects in real time. The recognized objects can also be moved with the suction tool. Tools are easy to remove. Use the laser tool on whatever material you want. And that's not all. HUENIT can even replace its tools by itself. Okay? Let's continue with our work. The auto leveling for 3D printing. It levels the printing bed easily. Create any 3D object you can imagine with the 3D printer module. You'll turn into an amazing artist with the pen holder module. Enjoy drawing cool calligraphy and artwork. Keep your creativity flowing with the customized tool. There's nothing you can't do with the creator module. The ways in which you can use the creator tool is almost limitless. HUENIT decides on its own. It networks with you. The touch display makes controlling it simple. And our software makes all the HUENIT's functions convenient and practical. Extreme strength, wide working range, quick speed, and high precision. All your ideas can become reality with HUENIT.
Green light. Red light.
What is Clickbot? Clickbot is your new best friend. It is a buildable robot with a personality. Did I say robot? I meant a car or puppy. Actually, it can be whatever you want. You'll never be bored with your new companion. Clickbot has an affectionate personality, and it will play with you. Clickbot's modular design allows you to build anything you can imagine, or choose from thousands of existing configurations created by other users in the Clickbot app. Clickbot can climb, play games, and even work out with you. Clickbot is your perfect companion for creative education. Learning STEM has never been this fun for all ages. Learn code by dragging and dropping the blocks in the Blockly program, and gradually grow to be a more advanced coder. Train critical thinking skills and make your ideas real with Clickbot. Clickbot's cute personality and multifunctionality will make Clickbot a member of your family in no time. No matter your age, Clickbot is a friend to play and learn with. We hope you share the passion and excitement we had creating this with you.
Desktop companion bot with endless fun. Eilik comes with 3 touching areas. Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Ooh, don't touch his back when he's upset, or Eilik will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. Eilik is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. Eilik is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Eilik wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 Eiliks together to start the magic moment.
Voila. Okay. Cheers. Okay. Oh no!
Not enough? How about this?
Meet Roiby. Roiby Robot is the first AI-powered educational companion for your child. It creates personalized lessons for language learning, STEM activities, helps with speech delay, and more. Roiby sees when your child is happy or sad and initiates a friendly conversation with her.
Who's there? Baby.
This
Hey,
emotional support
Sophie.
leads to happier and more motivated children who perform better in academics. With a few simple taps of Roiby's app, you can set lessons for your child and track their daily or weekly progress and activities. Your children will always be engaged and happy with Roiby.